severe thunderstorm warning for western Adams County in south-central Pennsylvania, southwestern Cumberland County in south-central Pennsylvania, southeastern Franklin County in south-central Pennsylvania until 4:15 p.m. At 3:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over St. Thomas, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chambersburg, Waynesboro, Gettysburg, Shippensburg, Greencastle, Guilford, St. Thomas, Carroll Valley, Fayetteville, Wayne Heights, Mont Alto, and Scotland. This includes Interstate 81 for mile marker 0 to 37. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is a statement from the National Weather Service. Flood watch remains in effect until midnight tonight. Flash flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues to be possible. The areas affected include portions of D.C., Maryland, and Northern Virginia, including the following areas in D.C., the District of Columbia, in Maryland, and the Rundle, Calvert, Central and Southeast Howard, Central and Southeast Montgomery, Charles, Northern Baltimore, Northwest Howard, Northwest Montgomery, Prince.
Oh, I knew this was going to happen. Besides, I'm in Maryland, bruh. And we get a lot of thunderstorms there. So, yeah.